I've been tempted for a while now to rejoin Ipsy, and well, let's see if it's worth it. So when I rejoined Ipsy, they had quite a few deals going. One was get a free month of their refreshments, which is like shaving cream, razors, face wipes for makeup remover, etc. And a free gift. So my free gift, which I do have to mention, I did open this quickly before this video just to make sure that everything was in here, because unfortunately my package arrived open, completely open. So I just wanted to make sure that everything was in here, but I didn't actually look at what I got, if that makes sense. So the first thing I got was the gift, and that was this right here. It is the PMD Clean Smart Facial Cleaning Device. I have a Clarisonic Mia, however, I plan on giving this to my husband to use. You can use it to massage in serums. It has the soft silicone bristles to wash your face with. It's waterproof, and it takes AA batteries. So I'm excited to see what he thinks of this. The refreshments came in this cute little bag, and it's purple, and it's kind of like a silky feel. It's really cute. Let's see what's inside this. This has two items. It has Luscious Hand Cream Citrus Spritz. Oh, it smells really good. It smells very lemony, and I love lemon scent. And then it also has Cleansing Face Wipes, and it matches the bag. That's cute. That's a cute little extra touch. Vegan, free of parabens, phthalates, and sulfates, formulated without gluten and nut allergens. Our skin-friendly products are cruelty-free and clinically allergy and dermatologist tested. So I'm excited to try these out. I'll keep these here at my desk. It also came with some stickers. I mean, I have no intention on using these, so I'll just give these to the kiddos. The refreshments, it says, we don't make bathroom essentials, we make self-care superstars. And so you stock your bathroom, subscribe and save, members get 20 to 30% off plus free shipping. You can schedule it, choose 1 or 3 month refill deliveries, skip or stop, pause or remove refills easily. That's pretty nice. And you can choose what personal care items you would like. Well, that's pretty interesting. They didn't have that before when I was subscribing just to the Ipsy bag. This is such a cute little bag. It has a little lemon slice on it. It's yellow with a pink zipper. Very cute. Oh, it's actually pink and purple zipper. I did pick one item out, and that was, I picked the Milk Hydro Grip Primer, just because it's something that's been all over TikTok and YouTube, and I just really wanted to try it. So the first thing is the Hydro Grip. I'm really excited to try this. Like I said, it's been all over. It says healthy skin and longer lasting makeup awaits. This 2-in-1 primer helps protect and moisturize skin with niacinamide and hyaluronic acid, while a dose of blue agave helps smooth rough texture and locks makeup into place for up to 12 hours. Tip, give this primer 1 minute to fully absorb into the skin before moving on to the rest of your routine. Very excited. The next thing I got is Sand and Sky Australian Pink Clay Deep Pore Cleanser. Ooh, I'm very excited to use this. I love using facial cleansers, especially the clay masks. I love them. They really do draw out the impurities. So this multitasker is out here doing it all for your skin. Deep cleaning, exfoliating, brightening, and helping to minimize pore size in just 30 seconds. It's all thanks to a blend of botanicals that physically buff away dull, dead skin cells, plus detoxifying and pore minimizing pink clay. Tip, lather into a foam on wet palms, then massage over dry skin for the maximum cleansing effect. I'm very excited to use this. The next thing I got is KVoss Lip Potion Overnight Lip Mask. I've been needing a lip mask since traveling has dried out my lips with the AC just blasting on me. So I am very excited to try this, but I'm not familiar with this brand. Think of this like an overnight face mask, but for your lips. The non-sticky potion is packed with rejuvenating vitamins and antioxidants from fruit extracts and nourishing sweet almond and olive oils to leave your lips super soft and supple. Tip, apply a generous amount over lips before bed, then let it work its magic while you snooze. I use lip masks and chapstick right before bed because my lips get so dry from using my aligners. So I'm looking forward to having soft lips again. The next thing I got is this Nomad Iceland Fire and Ice Gallows Lava eyeshadow. It says intense eyeshadow. Intensely smooth eyeshadow in shimmer volcanic green shade, formulated with extra fine pigments and infused with cloudberry seed oil for stunning color payoff. Cruelty-free and vegan, free of parabens, phthalates, and mineral oil. It's a cute little package. It does feel, I mean, pretty cheap. It's that cheap plastic, but ooh, that's pretty. It has a nice green shift to gold. It's very soft. Oh, wow. That is pretty. That is beautiful. I am looking forward to using this. It is more of a fall shade, but I don't care. This is beautiful. I love wearing greens. So I am really looking forward to putting that on my eyes. The last thing I have is Love and Craft Beauty Gel Line Eye Pencil. And it looks like it's going to be in a copper. It's called Soil. So let's see. It is very metallic and definitely soft. It is a beautiful brownish copper. Oh, wow. That is gorgeous. Hopefully you're seeing that shine that I'm getting. Oh, I cannot wait to use this one. This is not a color that I would normally buy either. So this is one of the things I love about Ipsy, is that it really pushes you out of your comfort zone and makes you try new brands and new colors, new everything. So it says Love Craft Beauty Gel Line Eye Pencil in Soil. No smears or smudges here. This metallic bronze pencil sets to a waterproof finish, so whatever eye look you create will look fresh for hours and hours through sweat, tears, rain, you name it. Tip: use on your waterline for definition or blend out along your lash line for a smoky effect. This is gorgeous. Well, I would definitely say that my bag was well worth it this month, for the first month back. I'm very excited to try everything. Everything here is just either blowing me out of the water with color and color payoff, or I'm just excited to use them. So very excited. I will keep you updated as far as what I think of each product, probably in my faves and fails for next month. All the items I used will be listed down below, along with my Ipsy link if you would like to join. I hope you guys have a wonderful week wherever you are, and I will see you next time. Bye.